Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. So many developments we have today. The price line has broken out the resistance of this ascending triangle, also broke out this wedge and broke out the weekly EM at 21 as well. And we have also achieved the target for this harmonic bullish cipher pattern that I have been sharing with you since the month of January 2022. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this complete report that will tell you how many trades I've shared in the current month and how many trades are successful and how many trades are still available or unsuccessful as well. Now let's start this analysis. First of all, let me just share this harmonic bullish reversal pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January, when the price line completed the final leg of this harmonic bullish reversal cipher. And I told them that from here we can expect a potential reversal move to the upside, because this was the perfect bullish cipher, and our buying zone was from $36,101 and goes to $28,805, and our sell targets were from 46,339 and goes to $57,167. And we also had a very nice hidden bullish divergence as the price line was forming higher than previous low, higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at the RSI, even the stochastic also was forming lower than previous low. And we also had very nice support of this 100 weekly simple moving average as well. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well and it has entered the sell zone. But I'm expecting that this move will be more bigger. Why I'm expecting? If we take a look at this daily time frame chart, then we have broken out a very big down channel. And the final target for this down channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $68,000. And if we take a look at the target for this triangle, this ascending triangle, that recently price line has broken out, then we can see the target of this ascending triangle was $60,000. And at the same time, the price line has also broken out this rising wedge pattern as well that I was showing you in my previous video. And I told you that once the price line will be able to break out this rising wedge pattern, then there will be a very high probability that the price line will also break out this ascending triangle, and then first it will hit the target of this ascending triangle that will be approximately at $60,000, and then it can hit the target of this down channel as well. And at the same time, you can see on the weekly time frame, the price line has also broken out this EM at 21 weekly as well. And you can see whenever it is breaking out this EM at 21 weekly, it is breaking as a very nice support for the price line, and we are having very nice rallies to the upside. So it is possible that we may have another rally like we have been previously. And I'm just waiting for this bull cross between this blue line and red line. Once this EM 10 will cross up this EM 21, the red line, that will be another buying signal on the weekly time frame, and then both moving averages can work as a very nice support for the price line. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.